Green screen is a great way to add a new level of creativity to your videos. With KineMaster, it's easy to use this effect and create videos that are truly unique. In this video, you'll learn how to remove the green screen in KineMaster. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's open up the KineMaster app. Let's start a new project. And import a clip onto the timeline for the purpose of this video. After that, import the green screen. So to do that, tap on this layer option over here and it will show you a couple of options. So from these options, tap on media and then select the green screen video that you have on your device. So now you can move this layer to wherever you like. So let's tap and hold that to move it to here. So now in order to remove the green screen, scroll down on these options on the right side of the screen, and then tap on chroma key. After that, enable the chroma key. And then make sure that the key color is green because you are keying out all of the green, and then play around with these sliders till you get rid of all the green in your clip. So move this first slider to about 30%, and then move this second slider to 60%. Once you do that, tap and drag on this to scale your video to the size that you like. And let's play it back to see how it looks. Yeah, the green screen is now fully removed and it is as I expected. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.